Guys, welcome to a brand new video. So today I'm gonna unbox this bad boy Vivo V11 Pro, which has an inbuilt screen fingerprint scanner and a dual charging and a 25 megapixel AI camera. So let's get into this without wasting any time. Let's go. I got a new mobile device for you. Everything is messy. My bed is messed up. Everything is messed up. You can look. I'm a lazy guy. So now let's go. I got these from the house.pk. This is the insurance. This is the mobile device. So let's unbox it. I got Vivo V11 Pro. The mobile device I am filming myself with right now is Samsung Galaxy J5 2016. It has a front 5 megapixel camera, and Vivo V11 Pro has a in-screen fingerprint scanner and a 25 megapixel front camera. So let's unbox it, and from now on the videos will be hella quality, okay, compared to this one. So let's go. So guys, look, this looks pretty awesome. So guys, look, the mobile device itself looks pretty awesome. The fingerprint scanner in the screen is in-display fingerprint scanner is displayed in front of the box. Looks pretty awesome. Vivo V11 Pro, and the other specifications you can read here. Everything. In-display fingerprint scanner, 25 megapixel AI camera, dual engine, fast charging. So let's go, man. I'm pretty excited. I waited for this a few months. Oh, sorry, a few weeks. Let's go. So guys, this looks pretty awesome from outside. Now let's see what it has from wait, this paper. And so looks pretty dang awesome, guys. This looks pretty cool and good. This is a box which I'll keep aside for now. So it has a charger, a USB cable. It's not a Type-C, and a headphone jack. Oh sorry, a headphone. So here's the mobile device, the handset. Looks pretty big. I cannot even record it fully. Looks awesome. Looks awesome. So guys, this is really huge, almost fully screen. Looks pretty shiny and awesome from back. Looks pretty cool, guys. This disco thing on the back looks pretty good. So now let's boot it up. Vivo camera and music, powered by Android. Guys, these bezels at the end, the chin is almost, I can see it, and the notch, guys, there's no notch at all. Full screen, guys. This is full screen. Feels even better in the hand than you can see here. Pretty thin. It's really thin too. Pretty awesome mobile device overall. Dual camera from back, a flashlight, not from front. It's a water drop notch, 25 megapixel AI cam, fast charging supported, no home button or anything, everyone knows. So it is a, oh, which language it is? Urdu. I live in Pakistan, but I cannot read Urdu very well. Let's, oh, for now I have to English. Yeah, English. The region, my region is Pakistan. Next, I agree. Let's set up PDCL BB. Connect with the Wi-Fi. It's loading. And guys, yes, if you are wondering that category 4 cat, oh, category 6 cat 6, which is in this device, has a call drop problem and things like that. No guys, that is a fake news. The mobile which I'm recording this video with right now has a category 4 cat 4, and I've never ever experienced any call drop or any problem with the network. So now it's setting up. So guys, this device is pretty cool and awesome. I am setting up still. It's really fast, really light, guys. Really light. It's pretty awesome. I cannot define it. Or maybe it's just me, a guy who has who has bought a full screen mobile for the first time. But it's awesome, man. This is the future, guys. Pretty awesome. They have a pretty small mic there, up there. I forgot what to call it. Sorry. So wait, let me set it up. So now I'm all set. Let's press next. Wait, let me set the fingerprint scanner. 4-digit password, unlock screen password. Wow guys, this is also some questions and things like iOS, iPhones. So this is asking some questions. I will fill it up and then I'll show you the mobile device, how it performs. So guys, right now I am doing a facial recognition, so let me do it. Pretty fast guys. Wake up, screen continue. 666, let's go. Now I'm setting the fingerprint scanner. No wait. Okay, it's okay. I am doing with this left thumb. It's pretty good so far. Done. Continue. Wait. Pretty responsive than I thought. This is the first mobile device which has a fingerprint scanner inside its screen. First one in Pakistan. Looks pretty cool, pretty futuristic. What happened? Done. It's awesome. This animation is pretty dope. I have few others, but no, this is dope. Next. So guys, this phone is finally ready to use. Looks pretty awesome in the hand. Looks awesome, pretty thin, bezel-less, and display fingerprint scanner, dual camera, front camera 25 megapixel AI, dual charging, dual engine fast charging, but not a USB type C. Has a headphone jack, not like iPhone. Looks pretty awesome. Now let me take a few pictures and let me film my video from it, and let's see if you guys like it or not. So guys, this was the review and the camera test, not a speed test, but I will do it if you want me to. Comment down below for the speed test. Now let's get into the camera and video performance of this beast. This is a beast, let's go. So guys, this is the back camera. Everything is messed up. I'm too lazy to keep these things on their place, but this is the back camera in mid light, not low, not a high light, but this is the. Now let's check the pictures quality of this. So guys, these are some pictures taken from Vivo V11 Pro. It is a lot of modes. The previous one was chroma mode, and this one is rainbow mode, and this one is natural light mode. These are awesome. And it is also a bokeh effect from its rear camera, 16 plus 5 megapixel, and it works awesome, takes awesome portraits and more. So here are some samples. I hope you like them. Haha. It is an awesome camera, a huge difference and upgrade from Samsung Galaxy J5. You can look, it also captures my sweaty skin full naturally. Doesn't put beauty mode a lot like Oppo and Samsung. Captures pretty good natural pictures, and it is awesome. Now have a look at Samsung Galaxy J5. This looks pretty old style, but it's also a good camera. Look at my hairs, like woo. And these are some pictures taken from the rear camera of the Vivo. This is without bokeh and this is with bokeh, and this is another one. This looks really awesome, and this is the picture taken from Vivo V11 of J5. Now wait, this is the picture taken of Vivo V11 from J5. Looks pretty huge difference. And this is a picture of a pillow, and this is with HDR on. So now let's have a look at the back camera. Guys, that was a picture quality from front and back camera. It was awesome guys. I don't know if it's me or you think it's awesome guys. Comment down below. Sorry for the review was pretty little weird, like this was my first review of any mobile. I've never done a review before of any mobile. If you like it, comment down below, smack the like, subscribe if you're new here, turn that post notification bell on if you like my videos and to be updated with my life. So that was it for the video. We'll see you soon tomorrow. Now I will spend a few minutes with my mobile, this new mobile device. We'll see you soon. So guys, this is a video from this mobile device, the front camera 25 megapixel AI. It pretty much beautifies me for some reason. I'm looking like a doll. I don't know. Looks pretty awesome. Look at the details. Look at the megapixels, guys. Nothing is blurry. Nothing is shaky. Like, it's awesome, guys. Overall, in my opinion. Comment down below what do you think. So now let's move on to the back camera. So that was it for the video, and right now I'm filming on my Vivo V11 Pro, and now I'm used to camera. I don't look like a doll or something. So I enjoyed making this video so much. We'll see you soon in better quality from now on. Let's go. Peace out.